everyone. Welcome. We are very excited. For our children, this is their first proper audience, and I know you're going to be the best audience ever because they are going to be the best performers ever. So I'm going to hand you over to Nursery.
Welcome to all nursery parents. We're so happy to welcome you here today. The children have been practicing unbelievably for weeks, right, Mrs. Wheel?
Absolutely.
For weeks.
Brilliant.
And we don't know what will eventuate today, but I'm sure you will have a wonderful time watching these little stars. Shall we begin? Welcome to our assembly. Today we will be celebrating our Term 2 learning through music, songs and rhymes. We have been learning all about the world around us and how much we should take care of it. We learned about how plants grow.
Are you ready? Off we go. First we have to dig a hole. Are you ready, little beans? I'm a little bean, small and round, very greedy in the ground. Sprinkle some water, sunshine We have learned about metamorphosis, how some animals change as they grow, how a caterpillar becomes a butterfly. Caterpillar on the ground, caterpillar on the ground. Hide away in your cocoon. Don't forget to come back soon. Are you ready, butterflies? Flutter, flutter, butterfly, flutter off
also been learning how an egg can also become a chicken, a crocodile, or even a dinosaur.
Are you ready? Shake those eggs. Shaking eggs, shaking eggs. And that's now shaking eggs, shaking eggs. Shake them up high, shake them down low, shake them up high, shake them low. Shaking eggs, shaking eggs. Everybody hands down, shaking eggs, shaking eggs. Shake it up high. Shake it down low, shake it down We're gonna shake, 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 shake and stop.
We're gonna shake and shake and shake and stop. Shake and shake and shake and stop. Shake and shake and shake and stop. Now we'll shake some more. We're gonna shake and shake and shake and stop. Shake and shake and shake and stop. Shake and shake and shake and stop. Now we'll shake some more. We're gonna shake and shake and shake and stop. Shake and shake and shake and stop. Shake and shake and shake and stop. Now we'll shake some more.
What's wrong with it? Touching that neck.
So, this next song is an instrumental and it's called The Ballet of the Unhatched Chicks. Hope you enjoy this one. I've got also learned about how important water is to our world. Well, we hope you enjoyed our little assembly.
The good news is, a performance as brilliant as that deserves an encore, we think. Do you think? Yes. Of course. So, we're going to have an encore. The words are there. We hope you join in. Sorry, you're very quick.
Either too quick or too slow. Now we're ready.